Hey guys, he's gonna take about like 200 for my AK. This is our like third attempt in doing this, so I'm not gonna show my AK. Whatever, I don't care, because my mom has been calling me and shit like that. And so, here we go, guys. Gotta focus on him. Okay, here we go. Dick shots. I'm gonna be standing right here. Just kidding. Okay, this is my AK. I'm shooting him. Like 200 bucks. Okay, hold on. Hey, at the fence. Get back. I'm not gonna stand right next to the fence. I'm standing right here. Hey, hold on. Let me see if it's working. Okay. Don't shoot my neck from my head. I know. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ow! Ow! Shit! Ow! Oh, that hurt. Yeah. We're ready. Ready for it. Oh, it sucks, dude. You got me right on the ass. Yeah, I told you. Okay, hurry up. Oh. I'm waiting. I'm not going to spray so much. Just go. Go. I'm not going to go fully auto. Just go. No, you are. Ow! Ow! Oh! You're done, dude. That hurt. You're done? I'm done. Okay, 5 more. 5 more. Okay, 5 more. That's it. Okay, I'm ready. Let's look at his ass.
Ow! My ass!
I know.
Oh my god, you got me right on the finger, dude.
Oh shit.
Look at how red my finger is.
Oh my god. Where? Where? I don't see.
Right there.
Yeah, I don't see.
Ow.
I know, right?
Ow.